One teacher. I'm here with
Calvin, grade freshman, MPA freshman.
NPA freshman, one of my most improved, I'd say, from the first semester. So, Calvin, about my tutoring, bro, what you think was one of the things that made you want to get tutored by me? What made it, good work for you?
Well, one thing about Mr. Jones tutoring is the people that go there, they progress very well. I was really noticing that the students who was going to his tutoring, they were really improving. So I thought I'd go to his tutoring.
Yeah, so Calvin was having a hard time staying focused on tasks at hand. So, we started doing a lot more one-on-one sessions in the tutoring session, and I think it paid off. And what you finished the class with a C? C, but I'm expecting him to finish with an A or at least a basic or above on the LEAP test. So, anything else you want to tell the people about the tutoring, man?
I think Mr. Jones tutoring is very good. If you ever having a tough time in math class, I feel like it's really gonna help you progress.
And this is not a paid promo. This is all from his heart, speaking from his heart. Appreciate you, Calvin. Fresh as hell. Get fresh as hell. Get your shoes in there. Yeah, we like that. MPA only. You heard me? Yeah.